hoes that don't fight you where I'm from. Like the beat, I keep a drum. You ain't got dough, little boy, you a bum. She got me brain that bitch so dumb. Used to be broke, I ain't had no funds. Now I spend it just for fun. Eat that hair, shit for lunch. Fuck up in a bit with the VVS. Can't get my girl cause I don't do the test. Don't give a damn about how you flex.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kim Shay with another makeup tutorial. I don't know what color I'm gonna do yet, but we're just gonna go along with the process. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. I already done cleaned my face and I moisturized my face with this. Yeah, guess that'll be it. I'll start with my eyebrows. Ooh, I need to sharpen this pencil. Found it. I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses brow pencil. I need to try new things. That's what I need to do. It's the only brow pencil I got. And I haven't went nowhere to buy a new one. But anyways, my eyebrows are thick. So yeah, they quarantine. I know they don't open the nail salons back up in Georgia. Who about to go? Not me. I'm not about to go. I already work at a nursing home where people that got COVID-19 live there. So like, I'm not about to make it worse. And then I have to go out to the store sometime. No. So I'm just going to draw them, line them up. Oh, this is ridiculous. I don't like this. I just colored that in. Well, yeah, I'm going on to the next one. Try this sapsucker out. I don't like it already. If I don't like my eyebrows, I'm not gonna like the whole doggone face. Let's go ahead and blend this sapsucker out. This brush is soft. I need a different one. This is ridiculous. It's LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee. And I'm gonna clean them up. And I don't like my eyebrows. This crap ugly. Ooh. I'm going to prime my face with this F. Can y'all see it? F little toner just in face primer. Some concealer and I'm gonna pat it on my lid. Use it as a primer. Next, right here, and I'm going to head it on the top part. This darker blue right here, and I'm putting don't mind my face, y'all. Oh, what the? Is a palette right here. It say highlight. Thing like this. Don't tell me I just broke my mirror. Oh, I broke it. Oh my goodness. Like, I'm still using it. I bought a eyeliner from Elf. I ordered it. And, okay, let's see. Okay, that's kind of cute. Kind of cute. Yeah, I think I did this one a little bit too big. Oh, no you didn't. That's why I don't do these, because one side be looking, you know, okay. And the other side be looking like trash. Like, I just messed up this whole... I see the difference, right? One is like, what the world? Like, what the, like, I don't even know how I'm gonna fix that. How I'm gonna fix that, y'all? I'm gonna take this Fit Me foundation in 355. This foundation is kind of light, but I'm gonna mix it with another foundation. Oh baby, too much. Take this Juvia's Place foundation stick, excuse me, y'all, and I'm going to take this brush right here. The brush is clean, y'all. It's just very hard when you try to get the deal on. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. And I'm going to use this shade. Dab, 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 dab. Dab, dab. Now I'm gonna take my black opal setting powder and I'm gonna set where I put concealer. Take this part and I'm going to just put it under it. I'm gonna put that concealer. Take a clean brush and I'm gonna brush this sap circle off because I don't like I said in other videos, I do not like to let it sit on my face too long. And I'm gonna use this. Y'all gonna hear me say what you call it a lot. I'm gonna spray this all over my face. Wait a minute, hold on. Another thing I got from Morphe was this Morphe highlight palette. And it's so cute. Look at the colors, y'all. Look at that. That is beautiful. Like, oh. Child, this cute. I think I'm gonna use Mirage. Y'all. Ooh, wait. Let me use use a different, what you call it. I'm just like amazed because this is so cute. Y'all, I don't know. I'm still looking at this doggone. I don't know.
On to the next one. On to the next one. On to the next one.
Right here, I just took the dark blue from the palette and I just put it on the bottom part of my eye. This is what I got from Morphe. A lip pencil, a lipstick, and like a lip glossy face stitch. You got an M on it. Can you see it? And so this liner, this right here, it's too light. Y'all, I'm slow. Y'all see this face? This lip liner is just too light. They're gonna have you look up a clown. This ain't my cup of tea. Y'all, I think I'm just putting on some gloves. How about it? And call it a day, cause I ain't got time. All I did right here is put on that Morphe lip gloss, and I just put it on top of the other lip gloss. That look better. That look better. This right here is the finished look, you know. And so I'ma come back. With my hair done.
We're gonna see how this, work. We're gonna see how this work.
So this is the finished look. I had stopped and did my hair. I didn't record this part, but if you want me to, I will. It took a while, but you know. Yes, and this was my first time doing this ponytail. I never did anything like this. The finished look. I hope y'all like it. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Please subscribe. And I am a beginner, so I'm still learning how to do things. So I hope y'all like it. Yes. Yeah. Anyways. Alright. I'll see y'all next time in my next video. Deuces.